Kaylin drinks juice with her breakfast. Good for you, Kaylin. Which measurement is most likely the amount of juice Kaylin drinks with her breakfast? So she could drink 6 cups, 6 gallons, 6 ounces, 6 pints. Now, looking at these, we need the one that seems to make the most sense. 6 cups is basically like a cup. If you ever look at a cup, it's, kind of small. But 8 ounces is in a cup. So I don't think this girl would drink 8 cups, or rather 6 cups of juice in the morning. That's a lot. Now, you know what a gallon is. If you have big jugs of milk in your fridge, that is a gallon. There's no way she's drinking 6 of those. No way, no how. Now, the answer that makes sense here would be 6 ounces. Like I said, a cup is 8 ounces. So 6 ounces is a little bit less than a cup. All right? So we're going to go with that. 6 pints, well, a pint is 2 cups. So if a pint is 2 cups, then 6 pints is going to be 6 times 2. That's 12 cups. That's even more than A. Now, not realistic. The only answer that seems to make sense here is going to be C.